Welcome to lesson 3 of this free Forex Basics course. If you've joined here, then please go back and watch from lesson 1. In order to access the Forex market, you need to have a Forex broker. A Forex broker acts as a bridge between Forex traders and the Forex market. Through a Forex broker, you can buy and sell currencies, and on this page there are a couple of links to reliable and trustworthy brokers. These two brokers are used by numerous Forex traders across the globe, and they both offer free demo accounts. At this point, we highly suggest you do not open a live account, but you can open a demo account and see what the trading platform is like. You can even take dummy trades. There's no cost involved at all. It just might be a good learning exercise. In the course section of our website, there is a course for MT4, MetaTrader 4, which is the trading platform that the brokers use that we suggest on this page. So how do you know when to buy and when to sell? It's easy to say go and open a free demo account with a Forex broker. It's easy to tell you what Forex trading is and why you should trade it, but it's a completely other game when it comes to deciding what currencies to buy, when to buy them, and also when to sell them. All Forex traders use some form of technical analysis or fundamental analysis to help them know when to buy and when to sell. Technical analysis involves looking at price charts, so looking at historical price information of currency pairs and analyzing where price could go. And up on the screen here, this is one of the price charts that I've been looking at this morning. This is New Zealand dollar, US dollar. You can see that there's all sorts of lines appearing, wavy lines and oscillators appearing on the chart. It can look very overwhelming to start off with, but it really doesn't take long to learn this stuff. For me personally, technical analysis is a fantastic way to understand price direction and also to make trading decisions. I rely heavily on technical analysis. I know that it's reliable, and I make a living through trading technical analysis. I analyze these charts on a daily basis and use them to make trading decisions. There's also fundamental analysis. So some traders focus not so much on charts, but they focus on economic events that are happening across the world. They use economic indicators such as employment data, interest rates, inflation targets in order to make their trading decisions. But as these courses go on, you'll learn more about technical analysis and fundamental analysis, so please don't go anywhere. Just click on next course to start learning about technical analysis for free. Alternatively, you can click on courses at the top here and go to price action. Our technical analysis course is split into two, price action and indicators, and there are many more free courses on this website.